The Kamenjak Peninsula or Cape Kamenjak, also known as the Peninsula of Premantura, is the southernmost cape of Istria. Kamenjak is a protruding piece of land delving deep into the sea, of 6 kilometers long with an average width of about a kilometer. The mountainous coastline of Kamenjak, which stretches from 30 kilometers, is made up of multiple bays and beaches, producing a region of extraordinary natural beauty that includes 11 uninhabited islands. Kamenjak's west coast is steeper and the northern half partially encloses Medulin Bay. The untouched environment and breathtaking vistas of Cape Kamenjak National Park astound visitors. The gorgeous natural park is the greatest location in Istria, with scenic pebble and rocky beaches along the mountainous coast. There are many activities such as strolling, hiking, trails and bicycling, as well as several calm beaches where you may swim and snorkel. The park's biodiversity and distinct flora and fauna are equally impressive. On a very limited area of 14 square kilometers, more than 500 different plant species grow. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. The coast of the Kamenjak Peninsula is incredibly rugged and offers many places to swim, high water jump and other entertainment. Some places are available only from the sea. Once you get tired of swimming, you can stay in one of the many beach bars situated on Kamenjak. You may be lucky enough to see dolphins and Mediterranean monk seals off the coast. Otherwise, you might have to make with fish and small crabs in the sea as you swim, which still entertains swimmers of all ages. With 2,300 sunshine hours per year, the Kamenjak beaches are perfect places to soak up the sun and enjoy the stunning views. But besides a few hours spent splashing about in the water and sunbathing, there is also other things to do in Cape Kamenjak. The park features some fossilized dinosaur footprints, and there is a small dinosaur path with models in tribute. There is also an agrotourism location featuring farm animals.